Okay, this video is regarding charging balance due and authorizing deposits. You have a reservation. You get to this from current reservations. So the people have come to pick up their trailer or their RV or whatever they're renting. You find the order in question, order number, and or renter last name. You click charge balance due. Brings you to this page. Has all the order details at the top. It has what they paid as a reservation deposit here, and the balance due includes the $300 security deposit. So down here we have the credit card information, which you can change if you need to. We do not store card codes on the website because it's against the rules, so you want to get that off their card and add it here. Down here it shows you're charging them $90.88 for the rental balance due, and then we automatically add 3% for a credit card charge, which puts the total at $93.61. That's in this box here. You can change that if you're not going to charge them 3%, or if you want to charge them more. It's up to you. Then we just click charge balance. Brings you to this page if it was successful, and they are getting a email receipt with this information on it. And we also have a link here at the top to authorize the security deposit. You can just click that and it brings you to a similar page. This time though the charge is $300 and it's just authorized. You want to add the card code and click authorize deposit. And then you can also click this link to take you back to that order. And there you go. It now lists this as charged and authorized. If you are collecting cash for your balance due and your security deposit, you can just skip that. And then when you go to calculate, see right here it says charge balance due. We're going to pretend like we didn't charge that and we accepted cash. When we come to calculate, it'll show that cash was accepted for the reservation deposit or the security deposit. Thank you.